In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit list view filters in the Accounts and Contacts tabs in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process with ease. Let's kick things off by logging into Salesforce. If you haven't done this yet, make sure you have your login details handy. Logging in is your entry point to accessing all the features and functionalities that Salesforce has to offer. Once you're in, it's time to make your way to the app launcher. You'll find this in the top left corner of your screen. Imagine it as your key to navigating around Salesforce, allowing you to access different apps and tabs. When you click on it, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Next, let's head over to the Accounts or Contacts tab, depending on which one you want to work with. These tabs are your gateways to managing and organizing your data effectively. Deciding which tab to explore is up to you based on your current needs. With the tab open, it's time to select the list view you wish to edit. To the right of the list view, you'll notice a filter icon. Click that filter icon and then choose Edit List Filters. This action sets the stage for adjusting the way your data is presented. Once you're in the editing mode, this is where the magic happens. Here, you have the power to add new filters, remove any that are no longer necessary, or change existing filters to better suit your needs. Deciding which filters to tweak might involve thinking about what information is most relevant to your current task or project. When you've made all your adjustments, be sure to click Done. This is a crucial step to ensure that your changes are saved. Finally, watch as the list view updates with your new filter criteria. This update reflects the changes and ensures your data now aligns with your personalized requirements. It's a satisfying moment to see everything come together exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to editing list view filters in Salesforce. Remember, managing your data efficiently can significantly enhance your productivity. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need to make adjustments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process straightforward and intuitive.